Welcome everybody. My name's Handyman Hank, and today we're going to talk about garage doors. That's just not high enough. We have a new car that has a lift gate that almost hits that, so we want to take that up a little higher if we can. I brought my new assistant, so welcome Danny.
Roar! Hi Hank. Hi everybody. I'm Danny. Danny Dino. Nice to meet you.
So today what we're going to do, Danny, is we're going to try to adjust that garage door by using the curved arm, and I'll show you what I mean by that.
It sounds kind of interesting. Oh, sorry. I'd like to see that.
Okay, let's get started with that. Well, it's a quick adjust, so this should be a short video, everybody. So, a lot of you probably have garage doors, and you've seen this thing. You certainly know what all this is up here. That's the curved arm connector, I guess you call it. And the problem is, because the garage door doesn't go up any higher, it's a little easier to see out here. See, it still has quite a bit down below there. So what we want to do is get that edge up a little higher. And one way to do that is to make this part up here, right there, to go a little farther, but you can't because that bolt right there is in the way. So the only way to make this garage door go higher is to move this arm up onto some of these other holes. You can see there that if I move this arm here up to those holes, it might pull it up a little higher. So let's do that. Let's move those bolts and nuts up there and put them in that thing and see if it works. I'm going to do this while the garage door is down, because that makes it so it's not going to fall on my head. All right, let's get started on that. All right, so maybe you can see this. We slid it together a little bit more. So this is now on these two rather than on there. So it's two of these bolt holes higher. Let's see how that does. Oh, that's much better. See, the door is all the way up, and I'm trying to hold it up high enough so you can see it's almost level with that white lintel across the top there. And that's raised the garage door up nicely. Very happy with that. Now we just have to adjust it so that it comes all the way down. So to be able to get that height, we want 7 of these bolt holes. At first we just did 2, but we kept moving it until we got it up high enough. So 7 from there up to that one. Okay, that's it. Job done. Not too hard at all. You can see how that garage door is now level all the way out to the lintel with the cross beam here. And that'll make it a lot easier to open up hatchbacks so that they don't hit that. So, very pleased with that. Just had to go up on this one because that travel is as far as it could go. All right, everybody. Oh, I reprogrammed it, but that's going to be different for each garage door opener. I'll put a link down below there for the one I used, which is a Chamberlain. You can see how to adjust the height. So, it's all good. Thanks for watching. And join us on the next video. Be sure to subscribe and like.